Welcome back, all my friends. So, in this lecture, I will tell you about the core differences between Human Developmental Index and Physical Quality of Life Index. तो सर सबसे पहले दिमाग में क्वेश्चन ये जाना चाहिए कि आप इन दोनों को एक साथ क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो। इंडेक्स तो हमने पहले भी बहुत पढ़ लिए, हर चैप्टर में कई कई इंडेक्स होते हैं, लेकिन इन दो इंडेक्स को साथ क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? क्योंकि पहला और तीसरा इंडिकेटर जो दोनों इंडेक्स में है वो सेम है, तो एक काम करते हैं दोनों को साथ पढ़ लेते हैं। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच शुड अराइज इन योर माइंड, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंडेक्स? इंडेक्स मीन्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, PQLI, physical quality of life index. It includes three indicators, that is literacy rate, infant mortality rate, and life expectancy at 1 year of age. First parameter is literacy rate. Second parameter is infant mortality rate. Third parameter is life expectancy at 1 year of age. So now I will be telling you about Human Developmental Index. So Human Developmental Index, as I have told you in the beginning of the lecture, the first and third indicator is common between Human Developmental Index and Physical Quality of Life Index. So first parameter is same as PQLI, that is literacy rate, given by some another terms, that is mean year of schooling, expected years of schooling, educational index, enrollment ratio. The second indicator in Human Developmental Index is income, US purchasing power parity, income per capita. So the question which must be arising in your mind, what is purchasing power parity? In purchasing power parity, we basically compare our currency with the currency of USA. Third parameter is लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी एट बर्थ. सर तीन पैरामीटर्स आपने बता दिए, सुनने में भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं और लग भी आसान रहे हैं, पर सर जब मैं इन दोनों को साथ पढ़ता हूँ तो बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन होती है कौन सा इंडिकेटर किस इंडेक्स का हिस्सा था. लास्ट टू वर्ड्स, दैट इज LI, यू कैन ऐड अ वर्ड L आफ्टर इट एंड दिस बिकम्स LIL. LIL means little. Little, who is little? Little infant. So LIL, L literacy rate, I infant mortality rate, and then comes little infant life expectancy at 1 year of age. So the mnemonic is LIL1. Physical quality of life index, PQLI, LIL. LIL1, little infant. L stands for literacy rate. I stand for infant mortality rate. L stands for life expectancy at 1 year of age. At 1 year of age, little infant, LIL1. And then comes HDI, development. For the development, we should show our attitude and we should kill with our attitude. The mnemonic is kill with attitude. K stands for knowledge, I stand for income, and L stand for life expectancy at birth. PQLI में life expectancy at 1 year of age था और HDI में life expectancy at birth. All the credit for these mnemonics goes to the legendary Nikita Nandwani ma'am. I haven't made any modification in these mnemonics, and I have told you these mnemonics the same as ma'am has told to everyone. Human Developmental Index for India is 0.644. You must be wondering which is the country with highest HDI. The answer is Switzerland. Switzerland have HDI of 0.962 and it ranks 1 globally. So the next parameter I will be discussing with you is Human Poverty Index. So Human Poverty Index is basically complementary to Human Developmental Index. जैसे जैसे Human Developmental Index बढ़ेगा, Human Poverty Index घटेगा. The line which I have said now, you should understand by your common sense. So initially it was Human Poverty Index was divided into Human Poverty Index 1, Human Poverty Index 2. Human Poverty Index 1 was for developing countries and Human Poverty Index 2 was for developed countries. The term human poverty index has been replaced by a term known as multidimensional poverty index. Multidimensional poverty index. So the indicators which are included in human poverty index is health, education and living standards. Health, education, living standards. What all is included in health, what all is included in education, and what all is included in living standards? These are the sub indicators which I am telling you now. So the sub indicators which are included in the health are, guess, you can definitely guess it, that is nutrition and child mortality. Nutrition, child mortality. And the sub indicators which are included in the education are years of schooling and attendance. Years of schooling, attendance. Living standards will include toilets, fuel, water, assets, electricity. It will include fuel, water, electricity, assets. So the next question which should arise in your mind is, what is the range of human poverty index or multidimensional poverty index? It ranges from 0 to 1, and human poverty index for India is 0.121, and this implicates that 27.5% population is poor. Human poverty index ranges from 0 to 1, and value of human poverty index for India is 0.121, which indicates that 27.5% population is poor. So interpretation of human poverty index, if it is between 20% to 33%, means country is vulnerable to poverty. If it is more than 33%, means there is poverty. If it is more than 50%, means there is severe poverty.